This is my afternoon snacks, no? Together with different kinds of berries, no? So, and this is uh, a perfect snacks this afternoon. Okay, let's try. Good leaf ashitaba, no, with ashitaba coffee. Stir natin ng mabuti. Ha? The smell is good. Promise. And look what I have. Nice. And this is for now. So don't forget to buy it now. No? JC Products.